7-Step Guide to Website Maintenance. It is one thing for a website to achieve a high search engine ranking, and entirely another to maintain it. A successful website needs regular maintenance so that it retains its efficiency and offers a consistent performance. Here's a 7-step guide to maintaining your website and keep it running at the peak of its performance. Keep an eye on your key metrics. Check critical analytical metrics such as your website's search engine ranking, which will help you improve your SEO and the end-user experience. Check for security updates. Security and other software updates bring bug fixes and performance improvements, and also patch any system vulnerabilities before they are exploited. Take regular backups. Regular backups ensure that you have the latest version of website stored safely, which can then be retrieved in case of data loss or malware attack. Check and fix broken links. A 404 error is a frustrating event for a user, and reflects badly on your website's credibility in addition to affecting return traffic. Test forms for inconsistencies. Any form such as a feedback form is your direct link to your users, so check them regularly to keep them working as intended. Clean out unnecessary files. Any bit of unused code or unnecessary file in your hosting space affects its performance and holds it back from performing to its true potential. Carry out user testing. Users' tastes change over time, and an annual user testing will enable you to improve your site's user experience by making the necessary changes. HostGator's shared hosting offers state-of-the-art infrastructure with the powerful cPanel for easy maintenance. Get the advantage of one-click script installs and keep your website in top-notch shape.